Well, I'm taking my walk this morning on a very drizzly day here at Disneyland. For being such a wet day, there's a decent amount of people here. I'm using my GoPro Max 2 today because it's a little bit more weather resistant than my other gear. Well, it's been a while since I've done Astro Blaster, so I think I'll take a quick pit stop to get out of the dampness and join Buzz Lightyear. I always like joining Buzz Lightyear on Astro Blasters. It's a very interactive ride and a lot of fun. And today it got me out of the dampness, so that's pretty cool. It's been a while since I've actually done this, but at least I didn't embarrass myself with the scores. Well, at the shooting gallery at the Frontierland, I like to pretend I'm a good shot, but hey, I'm lousy with the rifle. Good with the pistol, lousy with the rifle. Well, let's see how we do.
One more. We're heading to the castle. If anyone would like to ride along, we'll happily drop you down. To you, darling.
And we end today's walk with Cruella de Vil and the fire engine. Love my little walks in the park.